Hello everyone, I hope you are well. I am Hashemi. We are here with another educational video. In this educational video, we want to do an exercise together in the sketch environment. This is our exercise. Well, the strategy of the exercise, well, we usually have the characteristic of the axis of the opposites, so we can do half of it, take another axis, so we can do a quarter, but two circles. The axis of symmetry has fallen, so we can easily draw these first. After the travel, I can place it here, or I can put the center somewhere else, but the best spot is right here. There's no specific strategy. We just have a line here, and we have a few dimensions to consider. All right, let's go ahead and start drawing. First of all, I want to place my coordinate center in the middle of the shape, which is right here. Click that. I'm going to create a millimeter model since the dimensions are in millimeters, and I'll start the sketch. The leader of the week is a plain plan. And I'll start with the first circle from this one. Always start from a point where you have the most dimensions to measure. Well, this circle has a radius of 10 or a diameter of 20, which is a good size. This is from the circle, yes. Diameter 20. It scales, yes. What's the next step? Divide the distance from this circle to the center, which is 118. It worked. From here to here, it's 18. When I divide by 2 and hit enter, since I've set up a mathematical equivalent, and it says you're creating a formula, do you want to turn this into an expression? If you say yes, it will turn it into an expression. Now, what are expressions? I'll explain that later. It's just a way of writing equivalences. If you say no, it will just record the value of 59 millimeters at that moment, which is what we want. All right, this is from the circle. I'm going to take a measurement from this circle downwards. We could do this later. Control, I'll shoot a bow to the center of this. Yes, we have 10, yes, 20, so let's shoot this bow. From here, like this, yes, I'll give this 20. So what's the next step? Shoot these beans, the slot or bean. In the Nick softbox, is it in version 24? We don't have it in versions below 24. I have version 23, so we don't have 24 and a half, so it's a 23-day diet. Here is an axial line that I draw from center to center 30 millimeters apart, which is 40 millimeters from the center of our work. So let's add this, a vertical line. That is a dashed line, and its length is 30 millimeters. Now, I'll put this line on the coordinate axis as well. Okay, so this doesn't go up and down. Why? The distance from the side was given as 4 millimeters. This is from this. Okay, now I want to hit this beam. I'll take an offset from this. How far is this? Yes, how much is this now? Yes, it's 8. So from here to here, it's 8. From here to here, it's 8. In total, I'll give this 16 eighths. I'll make this symmetrical so that it offsets both sides. And actually, this will create it for me. Now what? Now I'm going to connect the tangent from this point to this one, making sure it's tangent at the bottom as well. So I have these. What's the next step, Matt? I'm going to take an offset from this. Now I'm going to take an offset of 13 millimeters. This arc is 8, so it will be 5 millimeters. I'll remove the symmetric part, okay? Now I have this. There's an arc here that connects the upper curve to the lower curve. And actually, this will create it for me. Now what? Now I'm going to connect the tangent from this point to this one, making sure it's tangent at the bottom as well. So I have these. What's the next step? I'm going to take an offset from this. And both of them are also MoMAs because there is no fracture. This is the beginning, this is the end. This is the intention of the bottom, which is MoMAs. I will MoMAs the top as well. And yes, I will give this. Actually, it should be 100 millimeters. Well, this is from our sketch, which is fully defined. I will mirror this and the circle relative to this bottom axis line. Yes, I will mirror it as well. In fact, I'll do this along with this here, relative to this symmetry line, and I'll confirm it. You see, the sketch is fully defined, and it's done just like that. I hope this tutorial has been useful for you. And wherever you are, stay great and healthy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next educational video, take care.